Hey friends, welcome again in Learn Basics. So today we will see that how we can create 3D image in MS Paint. So before we start the video, would request you to please subscribe my channel from here for latest technological update. Okay, so now let's go to the Paint. So as you can see, I have written here image. Okay, and we will change this image into 3D. Okay, so for that we need to select first. Okay, now go to select option. Okay, and click transparent selection. Okay, so when you will click transparent selection, so it will be selected. Okay, now drag the image with the pressing of shift key. Okay, like I have pressed the shift key and very lightly just drag the image. Okay, so as you can see, now this is in 3D. So this is how you can create a 3D image in MS Paint. So I hope you like the video. So don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll meet in the next tutorial. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.